Very good. Okay. Relax right in here for. Very good. Very good. Okay. Same thing here. Breathe in all the way out. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. All right. Very good. There you go. Very good. Weightlifting competition. We could have restricted segments here in the lumbar spine from lots of deadlifts.
Just keep breathing and exhaling. There we go. That's it. Well, that moved good. Nope. Okay. Oh, you're out. Okay. There, boy. There it is. Good.
Lean back, please.
Sorry, I'm stinky. I feel like I took my shirt off
no
because I was out.
Okay, go ahead, lie on your stomach, please down, please.
In here, I'm going to go like that. And I'm going to get the other one right there.
Oh, wow.
And then I'm just going to give it a little bit of traction. We're going to give it a little stretch. But that should free up her neck. Actually, you can feel quite a bit more movement there.
Blow it all the way out. We put some tension into the joint. And we move that joint that's restricted into a better position. Again, deep breath, Michelle. And out. Excellent. One leg is straight, top leg is tucked. Arms like this, hips up slightly. Take a big breath. And down. Excellent. Other side. The breathing is important. It helps to relax the patient and for the doctor to find the right tension in the joint. Good. And again, deep breath. And down. Good. Straight on your back. Joint. And as you relax, there's a little thrust that goes in that moves that bone in the right position. Good. Let everything go. And boom. Moves right in.
Inspirez, soufflez, aucune mise en tension, correction. Pour parfaire la correction de C1, ne pas verrouiller l'occiput de C1, venir prendre un appui postérieur sur C1 et induire la correction comme ceci. De neutralité, ne jamais verrouiller, demander une légère inspiration, expiration sans verrouillage, correction. Pour la correction, installez le patient sur la droite. Gardez toute la souplesse du patient, ne pas verrouiller, ne jamais verrouiller et poussez la manipulation dans le sens de la correction. Jamais verrouiller le mouvement de L5 sur S1 et dans cette mobilité, faire la correction de faire le mouvement manipulatif. Ne jamais verrouiller, sentir le mouvement et lancer la manipulation comme ceci. Le test détermine un mécanisme lésionnel sur un petit bras droit. Donc nous allons effectuer une correction d'un petit bras droit en installant le patient sur le côté gauche. Ne pas verrouiller la sacro-iliaque, garder en permanence de la mobilité avec le levier inférieur et le levier supérieur et emmener la correction dans le sens de la correction.
Good job. Perfect. All right, this side up for me, the right side. Forward. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. Good. And the other side?
I heard it crack.
Oh yeah, I felt it crack. All right, Amber. Deep breath for me. Good. All right, deep breath for me. And relax. Good. Every time you smell it. One more. Good. All right, go face down. Let me check the leg again.
Oh, that was a big one. Ah, that one felt good.
Relax. There we go. Okay. Relax your shoulder.
There we go.
Relax. That's a big one. Okay, sit up. Relax your shoulder. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Okay. Move to the righty before you. Relax. Relax your shoulder. Relax your shoulder. There we go. Okay. Stop, please. Relax. Don't fall. Okay. Good job.
Hey, that felt good. Before you push down when you start, yeah.
And we adjust those areas as so.
That's how it's done. We do work out here.